Best Way Upholstery presents 1967 Mercedes Benz 230SL Convertible Full Interior Restoration. This classic Mercedes Benz just got a new white exterior paint, but convertible top and interior are not in the best condition. We've removed door panels and prepared the car for full interior restoration. As you can see, soft convertible top has a lot of holes and should be replaced. Furthermore, our client wants to redesign interior and make it red. Next step was removing front seats and preparing carpet and floor for further works. We customized red carpet and proceeded with interior. In addition, client wants to restore dashwood panels. After our works, wood panels look like new. Another step was recovering and installing all small things, like sunvisors and side panels. Door panels restoration requires time and skills. At the same time, we were working on removing old convertible top. Old seats should be restored with new red leather. Red convertible top looks perfect. After full interior restoration that we've made in Best Way Upholstery, this Mercedes-Benz got a new luxury look. Originally restored door panels got all the chromes and were perfectly attached and installed. Whole interior got a new level and perfectly matched white body paint. At Best Way Upholstery, we are specializing in classic and custom interior restorations for Mercedes and other cars. Feel free to call and get a free estimate for a car interior restoration. Call 310-435-8417 or visit us at 5600 Venice Blvd, Los Angeles, California.